All right. How's everyone doing today? My name is Thomas, and I will conduct the following webinar for you guys. So, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am ready to start. So, we have this. I wasn't supposed to conduct this webinar today for you, but we had a little change of plans, and I will conduct my webinar today and also tomorrow. So we have two webinars ahead of us today and tomorrow, which will be full of trading and like useful materials. So, guys, if you can hear me, so I would like to I want to ask you to comment something in the chat, so then I can see this. Voice is low. All right, so let me low. The voice is low. Okay, so let me go ahead and try and change my microphone today. So I'm while I'm fixing my uh, webinars, so audio and all right, let's see how this changes things. I've just added my another microphone, so we'll see whether this one works or not. So if it doesn't work, then I will just have to use another one. Hello. So I am not really audible, or okay, guys. So we are. All right. Can everyone hear me? No? No sound? Hello. Just a quick thing. Hello. So guys, I'm just taking a few minutes to fix this, to fix everything. If it doesn't, then I'll just have to proceed as it is with my microphone. All right. Anyways, works now, and we can go ahead and yeah, I think everything should be fine now. So just yeah, so let's so barcode strategy today. Yeah, so let's so barcode strategy today. Okay, so the sound is on, guys. That is great. Well, first of all, I would like to share a few things today. So first of all, we're gonna be talking about this little nice thing called trading signals, which have become available on our platform and which everyone can use now. I know that many traders requested that we add this feature, and I guess that was a common request. Video quality, guys, if the video quality is low, just go to the properties, to the settings of your YouTube, like down on the right hand side on the bottom, and just switch it to like whatever it should be, like 750. Anyways, guys, trading signals. Let's start with trading signals today. I'll just show you how they work, and we will trade. All right, and then we will switch to barcode strategy, or we can combine them. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So here is my recent stat today with trading signals. As you can see, some of them I also traded quicker today. So I would say like mostly I had more of a green color than red color, and you can see this in my stats today. I haven't calculated the overall profits that I've made so far, but I've been testing these trading signals, and in fact, even 1 minute trades, they seem to be working just fine for me. Now, how do you get to trading signals? So we go here, we click help, the help button, we go to trading signals, and we get active signals. So a little secret here, which I wanna reveal to you. So first of all, when we talk about, we have scalping, intraday, and swing. So we have 3 categories of signals. Like scalping, basically very like the shortest signals with a duration of 1 to 5 minutes, like very short. Intraday with a duration of 10 minutes to 1 hour, and then swing signals with a duration of 4 hours and up to 1 day. Now, for every like not for every, but for the majority of currency pairs, we have these signals available. And scalping signals, a little secret here, they appear on the first seconds of the candlestick. So they don't repair, they don't appear at random periods of time. So they don't repair. Yes. How do I do it? Like this, and 3 minutes up. So sometimes, yes, we have really real fun things, like we have this 1 minute down signal for duration of 1 minute, and then we also have a 3 minute up signal with the same asset. So kind of like 2 signals in the opposite directions. Well, that's the logic, that's the algorithm behind these signals. People ask me what kind of algorithm there is behind these trading signals. I want to tell you honestly, I do not know. I know that it is based on a number of different indicators, like the one, I think they used to have it on investing, and maybe they even have it up until now. I just haven't checked that. So that trading instrument was, or trading signals, they were designed so 1 minute up and 5 minutes up. So those trading signals, they were designed and based on I think like overall number was close to 20 different indicators. So dear traders, did anyone use the trading signals already? Can someone share your thoughts on this? Like, do you like them? Do you not like them? How are things with them? I'm very interested. Also, of course, the most common question here would be, so what's the efficiency of these trading signals? And I will tell you one thing: efficiency efficiency varies from many factors. And well, first of all, we can get on some assets, these signals, they just work a little better, slightly better, and on some signals, on some assets, the results are slightly worse. Also, it depends. Like, I just had this in practice. Like during 1 hour, I was trading these signals, and I had like, I don't know, almost 20. No, I had like close to 80% winning trades, probably like 15 out of 20, something like this. But then the next day I had like only 35 or 30% winning signals with the same asset, but just another day. So everything is like really like just like on the live markets, right? We can use the same trading strategy and get slightly different results, or sometimes dramatically different results. Your 1 minute signal went wrong. So yes, guys, this is that's the story. So before you decide that you want to use these trading signals, I suggest that you open sub accounts, like open a few sub accounts and just see, maybe like put $100 in this sub account and just for 1 or 2 days just trade only using these trading signals, our trading signals. This way you will see whether they work, like you will see the results. Like I say, sometimes these signals, they work great, sometimes not so much. Like look, I had all these trades were opened according to trading signals. From starting from here, I had like 1 loss, 1 win, 2 losses, 3 wins, 1 loss, 2 wins, 1 loss, win, 2 losses, 2 wins, 3 losses, 1 win, and so on. And now I'm probably gonna get another winning trade. And what's the next signal? It's also up signal for 1 minute. So guys, we can keep trading these signals. So guys, all right, there might be a few reasons why you don't have trading signals. Well, reason number 1 is that you should be on advanced level or on the expert level. That's where you get trading signals. So Fred says I used so he used these, he used them, not so accurate. All right, so yeah, I will say that there are many different factors, and like trading strategies. Some trading strategies, they would work for someone, and for someone they will just be like totally useless. So a lot in fact varies and depends on your trading style, on your trading like preferences, and so on. This is highly negotiable, like discussable. So now guys, let's switch to the main topic of today's webinar, which is the barcode strategy. And this is our like probably the only trading strategy with us with like expert status, where we have the default duration of these signals is 1 minute. So we don't really open trades for, yeah, I would say like we can even combine signals from the barcode strategy with the trading signals here. I don't know, shall we try this or not? Hi, hello, welcome. So 1 minute up, 3 minute up, 5 minute up. Let's just check it. 1 minute up, 3 minute up, 5 minute up. So for simplicity, I will differentiate between these signals. So now let's go ahead and start using my the barcode strategy. So the barcode strategy is this probably, yeah, I would say like the only trading strategy that we have on our platform that is specifically designed for 1 minute trades. So the trades that lasted with a duration of 1 minute. So normally I would say that, and I strongly recommend using trades that last 3 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe even better, and even longer. So the principle is when you increase the duration of your trades, your overall results, they usually become better. So that's, yes, okay. So I'm trying to combine the signals now. For those of you who have never used this trading strategy, which is called barcode, the signal is this. The signal in this strategy comes when so we have this only one indicator here, which is called the marker. So this the marker indicator with a period of 1. So we basically tune this indicator to the fastest to the least period possible, so that we can sort of glimpse this like the very momentum of each candlestick, of each movement. And once this dash on this indicator appears on this histogram, So if it appears red now with this candlestick, then I will open a trade. Okay, so we can switch to, all right. So it has just appeared, and immediately I should open a trade in the downwards direction. So it goes like this. So as soon as a signal is generated, then we open a trade. But of course, if we are maybe just a little late, it is still not the end of the world. So we can still use this signal if it appeared, let's say, recently. So if a lot of time hasn't passed. So this candlestick is about to finish, and now waiting for another one here. So sometimes we get signals and sometimes no. As you can see here, we had 2 candlesticks with no signals at all. So there we just basically skip them. And sometimes, yes, we get these like bars under every candlestick. So I would say usually if there is a trend, then we get signals. If there is no trend, we just don't get signals. So that's kind of the rule here. What else can I say about? All right, so we have this yes, like a 1 minute signal here. All right, so that's interesting. I have many opposing signals on the one candlestick, on the one asset. So question here: I used active signals by Olymp on demo account. Out of 5, 4 were accurate. All right, so I think that's a wonderful result. Now what you need to do is you need to check how they work on your, like how they will work on your real account. And of course you don't really want to start with, like, say, big amounts of money. I would definitely start with little amounts of money, maybe like $1 per trade, maybe $2 per trade, or the minimum in your currency. If you have a different currency in your account. All right, let's try this one. Euro GBP up according to Barcode Strategy. So that's how I would that's what I would definitely do. Right, so where do I have no signals? All right, so preparing to open a trade on the GBP USD, and so yeah, in 10 seconds. So we should have another candlestick, and we'll have a fresh trading signal. All right, so down signal here. All right, a question from Michael here. Hi, if you are a full-time day trader, for how long are you supposed to be on the market trading? Great question. I would say that if you are a full-time day trader, then probably not less than, like, 6 hours. I would say that if trading has become your full-time job and that's your main source of income in your life, then I don't really think that you should be spending less than 6 hours per day. 6 hours per day. That's so yeah, I would say that that's the bare minimum. Now there it becomes interesting. I don't know. I know examples where people just become over time they turn into I would say like long-term passive investors, and they only spend like 1-2 hours trading. And it's not even, I cannot really call this trading. They just, what they do is basically they just kind of like read the news, check the markets, and well, that's kind of like that's probably not gonna happen in the beginning of your trading career, but in the especially during your first years, until like before you have created a significant amount of capital for yourself, like a significant amount of trading capital, then I think you will be spending not less than 6 hours. I would say like maybe even 10 hours. And I know when I was starting and I traded it in this proprietary trading company, and so I started my working day 2 hours before the New York Stock Exchange opened, and I stayed 30 minutes after. So I would say that's close to 9 hours per day. Plus, I did some research every Saturday and Sunday. I was learning the patterns, and eventually that helped me understand the markets. So I spent a lot of time working my first year, and then later on I would be spending less and less time. I mean, like eventually, like now I have this really interesting situation where I do some analytics. I'm still an active trader, even though I don't trade. I don't do that many day trades, and I would say the biggest amount of profits that I'm having, in fact, comes from long-term investments, and not so much from these short-term trades. So that's why I'm saying like over time, every trader evolves into a long-term investor. So it's not. I don't really know many people who spend as much time doing day trades after, like, say, 5 minutes after like 5-6 years in this business. Yes, there are people who just love trading, and they will be like, yeah, I just love trading, and I'm here for trading, I'm here for excitement. But most, I would say, like, if you have a small amount of money, like say if you have only like $5,000 in your account and you want to make, say, $1,000 per month of additional money, then you really need to work hard. But if you have, like, say, a few $100,000 sitting in your account and you just invest in, let's imagine you invested in Tesla 2 years ago, now like this like 50,000 would have by now would have turned into like 10,000 would have turned into like 70 or 80,000. So that's a different story. And of course, a lot depends on your experience and on your progress. So over time, I think everyone should progress as a trader. And like eventually, yeah, you shouldn't really spend much time like doing day trades. So eventually you will everyone turns into like long-term investors, as long as you make money. Because I mean, like, if you still don't know how to like handle your like day trading, then, well, I don't know, it's I don't know. Well, guys, I've just been opening many trades, doing active trading here. So one thing I want to illustrate to you, that with this strategy, like the principle of this strategy is being quick. So you gotta be quick. You gotta open trades. Like as soon as you get a trading signal, like here, you just gotta just open trade, not think, and just execute your trading strategy. That's kind of like how all trading happens. What is market manipulation, and at what time intervals it is most active? Well, this thing that is called market manipulation. that reminds me of this story that how people try to say that someone is chasing their stop losses. So market manipulation, I think in the modern world, on where everything is highly digitalized and where everything is transparent, it's kind of hard, in my opinion, to do this like any form of market manipulation. I think I've just chosen the right asset, guys. So I've stayed with the GBP USD, and I can see that on the on Bitcoin, I could have made so many profitable trades. Well, it's just sometimes you just not on the right asset. I will try to use the Euro GBP for now and to open a few trades here. And I will also switch to trading signals, and now in the beginning of the candlestick I will use these trading signals as well. So market manipulation and how to avoid it. Well, in my opinion, it's not like, I wouldn't say like it doesn't exist, but market manipulation is like, I would say you can only do that in very low liquidity assets, like some very exotic cryptocurrencies. I know like everyone, I guess, have heard of this pump and dump thing, where you just kind of just like start buying and then you find enough seller. Okay, so that's called pump and dump. You can Google it. Okay, that's a market manipulation strategy. But when it comes to the to assets like Euro USD, so the Euro against the US dollar, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, I just don't think it is possible. There is like no way like how that can be possible. Just in my opinion, it just doesn't exist, this form of market manipulation. So I think it's more like lore and legend of the markets. Back in the day, I would say maybe 10 years ago, that would be a more common thing, especially on certain stock exchanges where which were just less popular and less liquid. So yeah, I mean, like there could be things, but now when you trade now, I don't think it's gonna affect your trading in just no way. I just say like you shouldn't worry about this, because I mean, like I was like answering about this. I was trying to really like tell you as much as I know about this, but in fact, like even this HFT, like high frequency trading, it happens. I mean, like there are robots trading, and I mean, like look now, we have this we have this news release, thanks to which one of my trades closed with a profit. But yeah, just wow, what's going on, guys? Right, we have this. Can anyone check the economic calendar? What kind of news? Oh, I think there was this. Yeah. I think I know what news has just came out. So I think it was this one. Yes. So core CPI. So inflation in the United States. Core CPI 6.2%. And year on year inflation. So everyone was expecting 8.1%. Now it's 8.3. So it's I wouldn't say it's kind of says better than expected, but in fact it's worse than expected. And probably let's check the USD JPY. So the USD JPY, wow, in fact it's going up. Right, I thought. It's very interesting, because inflation in the United States and in Europe, it has become a real problem, guys, and probably everywhere in the world. I mean, like everyone is concerned about this, and I'm pretty sure that everyone has been noticing how prices went up recently. It's crazy. Just okay, guys. Wow. Yeah, like prices have gone up so crazy everywhere. I open a trade up and it starts dropping. Why is that? Well, anyways, I don't know if we can continue trading for the next, because everything is so much affected by this news, like this story that we oftentimes have during our webinars. Then when some news is released, and yeah. So a question from Sahil here: can we make trading full-time job? Yes, it's possible, and of course there are firms where people trade, do trade, opening trades for the next 30 minutes. Well, maybe not 30 minutes, but definitely a few minutes we should sit out and wait, because yeah, it's just everything has become very volatile. Yeah, let's just wait out. I don't like when such, and we have this huge portion of the news. So guys, what is next? In 2 hours time we are going to see the crude oil inventories in the United States, and that's going to affect Brent oil prices, because, well, Brent is like, it's the funny thing is happening. So crude oil prices are not at their 2008 highs. They are not, but gasoline and diesel everywhere in the world, they already cost more than back in 2008. So that's a riddle, right? That's a some food for thought. John says, I'm a beginner from Kenya and I'm really enjoying this. Well, welcome on board, John. So trading is a fun activity, and it can be a profitable activity. Not just fun, but it can be profitable activity as well, as long as you follow certain principles of trading, and you consider this, you treat, yeah, not just consider, but you treat this as a serious business. So when you treat this as a serious business, then eventually you have much better chances of you know, like, of staying in this game for until you become a profitable trader. And then, yeah, I mean, like, you can become a full-time trader, and I mean, like, you just don't, eventually you will need to know what to do with your free time, because eventually if you turn into a long-term investor and you just start making a lot of money, you need to decide what you do with your free time. All right, guys, let's for the next 5 minutes, let's concentrate on trading signals. I just wanna curious to see how they work. It's very interesting, like this signal came in the downwards direction, and this other one was in the upwards direction. So like I say, what's very convenient about our our trading signals is that we have this countdown timer, which basically tells us when the candlestick ends, and then immediately we are going to see a trading signal. I think they appear almost every minute. So let's see. Yes, so one signal like this and one signal down. Wow, interesting picture, right? We have this one upward signal for 5 minutes, and then now we have these signals for 3 minutes. We'll see. Michael, all right, a question from Beat XYZ. Is Forex better than others? Well, Forex is a different method of trading, and with Forex, the beauty of Forex is that you don't have to you can only be right. You can only have, say, 25 well, I would say the minimum is like close to 25% winning trades, but if you control your risks, so with Forex is great. You can say, for example, let's say you bought Bitcoin at 10,000 and you sold it at 50,000. Together with the multiplier, you probably have made, wow, like plus 500, no, like, I don't know, 5,000%, something like this. And if you did open this same trade with the FTT mode of trading, your profit was just 80% or 90%. It was limited. So the main advantage of Forex is its flexibility in terms of money management and risk management. So you can actually make a lot of your risks can be limited and your profits can be, well, of course we can say unlimited. They cannot be like always tens of thousands %. That's another story. That's the story about how often great opportunities happen. But in general, like generally speaking, you can get real nice results even if you are if you don't have this statistical advantage. Now with FTT mode of trading, you need to have at least 50, like I would say 55% risk. 55% trades is the like positive trades is the bare minimum. Like if you have less, then I don't know, then you don't really reach this break-even point. So break-even point at different rates of return is different, but it's definitely somewhere around 55%. Now if you can make constantly steadily 65% winning trades, then you can make a lot of money with FTT. And with FTT, what is good about it is that that's the fastest way to grow your capital. Like Forex is even though Forex with the 500 multiplier is fast, now FTT is faster. So if you know what you're doing, if you have a if you've developed a trading strategy, then like Forex would be the answer for you. So one more trade here, and guys, let's switch to something else. I don't like this anymore. Okay. One thing I don't like with the Euro USD is that sometimes it's just so slow and like it just closes on the last few seconds with a like a 1 pip difference or something. It's just this Euro USD. I just sometimes don't like this asset at all. So Michael says here, I'm an advanced user using the Friday strategy, but for it to work, I'm combining it with the super trends from the trading view, and it's making profits. Is it a good idea though? Yes, I mean, I would say that anything that helps you win, helps you make money, just use anything that can help you make money. I mean, there is no like rights and wrongs in trading, as long as you make profits, and that's it. I mean, like the only merit which can help you identify whether you are on the right side of trading is whether you make money in the end of the day, whether you've made profits or you've lost at the end of the day. What's your end result in the end of the month? Guys, I think I've just been overly excited about this webinar, and I've just been opening trades and doing everything quickly. I apologize for this. I know that's my like negative point, is that I open trades fast, and sometimes I don't really concentrate much on the signal itself, but I still hope that you managed to follow me and that you managed to understand how our trading signals work, how to read these trading signals, and how to open trades according to these trading signals. I hope that my webinar wasn't in vain. I'm also pretty happy that I managed to open a certain number of trades according to the barcode strategy. That was also one of my main objectives for this webinar. And yeah, so we can also even switch to, well, yeah, when we use trading signals, we just don't really care about candlestick, but with candlesticks, of course, it's more convenient to see these like moments, like one, and yes, we have another down signal and 3 minute down. So I will probably open 1 or 2 trades additionally according to the trading signals that I get, and I will be finishing my webinar there. So my main goal was to demonstrate to you how these features of our platform work. Guys, nothing is perfect. There is no one fits all strategy. You need to try different methods and different approaches, and eventually you will get there if you are determined and if you work hard towards reaching your goals. So I want you to keep this in mind, and yeah, so that's probably the key elements of success is not giving up and at the same time working on your trading results. So you need to work on your trading results. You need to constantly be thinking how you can improve your score. So yeah. So Daniel says, I prefer price action and triple rebound are great. Well, yes, these strategies, I also like them. It's just today I wanted to show you something else, something different. So like I say, on the markets, everything is highly volatile, everything is highly customizable. One day, kind margin strategy can give you 80% winning trades, but the next day you will only get like 45%. So things are changing, are constantly changing and flowing on the markets, and you basically need to, try and apply different strategies, different methods. So even though some methods they remain like time proven methods, like price action, the Fibonacci levels. I mean, like the RSI indicator, triple rebound. Yes, triple rebound is a great tool and a great strategy, and the RSI indicator is definitely one of the most accurate ones. So yeah, I cannot say that this or that is like better or worse. It's all it all needs like everything needs practice, everything needs analysis, and once you get some results, you need to like check them, and you need to see whether you should follow this strategy or you should give up on that strategy. So sometimes you just have more winning trades, sometimes less winning trades. It's it's just works like this. So eventually, what is this? So my trade here closes with a profit. Guys, I would like to thank you all for your attention, for your time that you spent with me. I hope everyone can take home something with you from this webinar, and everyone can, I hope you enjoyed this trading session, and tomorrow is my next trading session, so I will see you tomorrow, guys, and we'll continue trading and exploring the markets. Ideally, I wish I had maybe I had a day that I can spend trading from like say 10 in the morning and through like 5 in the evening, something like this, and then I will be able to show you like all kinds of different setups and like how trading changes throughout the day. Maybe I will do it one day, but not today. Anyways, thanks a lot for your attention, and yeah, I wish you all good profits and progress in trading. If you like the webinar, press the like button, and I will see you tomorrow, guys. Have a wonderful day.